हेलो एन्ड वेलकम टु माई युट्युब च्यानल। तपाईहरुलाई मेरो युट्युब च्यानलमा स्वागत छ। आज हामी रेडियोग्राफीको केही महत्त्वपूर्ण क्वेशनहरूको बारेमा डिस्कस गर्नेछौँ। यो सबै लेभल र तहको लागि इम्पोर्टेन्ट छन्। इन्ट्रान्स एक्जामको लागि पनि निकै नै महत्त्वपूर्ण क्वेशनहरू रहेको छ। लाइसेन्सको लागि पनि निकै नै महत्त्वपूर्ण छन् र लोकसेवाको लागि पनि अति नै महत्त्वपूर्ण छ। त्यसैले कृपया ध्यान दिएर पढ्नुहोला र त्यस्तो केही गुनासो भए कमेन्ट गर्नुहोला। ल अब सुरु गरौँ। Radiography was first described by Roentgen, Becquerel, Joseph Lister or Corona. Answer is option B, Becquerel. Question 2. Lymphatic drainage of anal canal is to inguinal lymph node, external iliac lymph node, internal iliac lymph node or para-aortic lymph node. Option A, inguinal lymph node. What is the main mode of heat transfer in rotating anode X-ray tube? A, conduction, convection, radiation or all above. Answer is radiation. 4. The plane that divides the body into right and left halves, median sagittal plane, coronal plane, axial plane or mid-axillary plane. Answer is A, median sagittal plane. Half-life of cobalt 60 is A, 6.26 year, 5.67 year, 5.26 year or 6.67 year. Answer is C, 5.26 year. Most common histopathology in head and neck carcinoma is A, squamous cell carcinoma, A, adenocarcinoma, C, lymphoma or D, melanoma. Answer is C, lymphoma. Question number 7. Lymphatic from tonsil drain into mediastinal lymph node, jugulogastric lymph node, submental lymph node or lower deep cervical lymph node. Answer is B, jugulogastric lymph node. 8 number. Most common histopathology of carcinoma breast is adenocarcinoma, infiltrating duct carcinoma, lobular carcinoma or squamous cell carcinoma. Answer is B, infiltrating duct carcinoma. Question 9. In which projection the central ray incident on the position aspect and emerges from the anterior aspect of body? Posterior anterior projection, posterior projection, lateral projection or oblique projection. Answer is A, PA projection, posterior anterior projection. Orthopantomogram, OPG, commonly we say OPG. OPG is taken to rule out lesion in A, mandible, maxilla, facial bone or skull. Answer is A, mandible. Generally return to see mandible and teeth. Length of esophagus is 10 cm, 15, 25 or 40. Answer is 25 cm. This question is asked many times. The process by which electrons are eliminated from X-ray cathode filament: ionization, photoconduction, thermoluminescence or thermonic emission. Answer is D, thermonic emission. Superficial X-ray therapy includes X-ray of potentials ranging from 5 to 50 kilovolt, 50 to 150 kilovolt, 100 to 150 kilovolt or 150 to 300 kilovolt. Answer is B, 50 to 150 kilovolt. PET scan, positron emission tomography scan is positive emission tomography, positron emission tomography, pulsatile emission tomography or none of the above. Answer is positron emission tomography. यो मा कहिले पनि नबुझ्नु होला। पी भनेको पोजिट्रोन हुन्छ, ई बाट इमिशन, टी बाट त टोमोग्राफी भइहाल्छ। 15. The bed of stomach is not formed by normally left kidney, left suprarenal gland, C is splenic vein, D tail of pancreas. Correct answer is option A. Correct answer is A, left kidney. 37. Unity flame speed is A. Gyron, Roentgen, per Roentgen, millisievert or sievert. Answer is B, Roentgen, per Roentgen. Maximum dose region in cobalt-60 teletherapy lies at how much centimeter from the surface? A 0.1 centimeter, B 1 centimeter, C 5 centimeter or 0.5 centimeter. Answer is 0.5 centimeter. 17. The ability to demonstrate closely placed structures in the subject as separate entities in the image is A. Resolution, B. Brightness, C. Contrast or D. None. Answer is A. Resolution. 18. In cobalt-60 machine, which ray is used for external beam radiotherapy? Alpha ray, beta ray, gamma ray or protons? Gamma ray. Gamma ray is used in cobalt-60 machine for external beam radiotherapy. Lymphatic of breast drain into posterior intercostal lymph node, axillary lymph node, internal mammillary lymph node, or all the above. Answer is all the above. In all lymph node, lymphatic of breast are drained into all the lymph node. 20. Contrast is more with screen film combination than direct exposure because A. X-ray to light conversion efficiency is more, X-ray absorption efficiency is more, or screen is more sensitive to high energy radiation, or screen is more sensitive to low energy radiation. Answer is C. Skin is more sensitive to high energy radiation. Now 21. Most common histopathology of in cancer cervix is most common histopathology in cancer cervix is squamous cell carcinoma, adenocarcinoma, lymphoma or melanoma. Correct answer is A, squamous cell carcinoma. So most common histopathology in cancer cervix is always squamous cell carcinoma. थ्याङ्क यू। आजलाई यति नै। कृपया केही डाउट भए मलाई कमेन्ट गर्नुहोला र यो भिडियोलाई सेयर गर्नुहोला र च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब पनि गर्नुहोला। तपाईको एकचोटिको सेयरले अरूलाई मद्दत पुग्न सक्छ। थ्याङ्क यू, धन्यवाद।